Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Well, another video for you guys, this time from my past, and this is of my old dryer that I used to have back when I was at my last place of accommodation. Back in 2016 I got this video, and it is of my White Knight C372WV tumble dryer. So please enjoy. Excellent. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure you can still buy these things. I don't need another one because I've got my Bosch condenser. But comment below if you wish to see a video of my Bosch condenser. I do believe I put a video up a while ago on my YouTube and it didn't pick up much interest. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video of my Bosch. So, like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.